Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we have one more employment notification for you from the Supreme Court of India. So let us see the vacancy details. So here the Supreme Court of India has invited applications to fill the post of Junior Court Attendant Cooking Noi from the Indian citizens. So there are about 80 vacancies to be filled. So here you will have a basic salary of 21,000 and a gross salary of 46,000 per month. The number of vacancies may increase or decrease depending on the requirement. So now coming to qualification, the candidate who have passed 10th standard with a minimum of 1 year diploma in cooking or culinary arts from the recognized institute can apply. Here culinary arts means it is also a kind of art which involves preparing, cooking, presenting and serving of food, and various disciplines like baking, hospitality, knife skills, nutrition, roasting, everything is comes under the culinary arts. So ex-serviceman candidates can also apply for the post provided that he must have a competency certificate issued by competent authority in the field of cooking or catering. So those candidates who possess 3 years of experience in cooking in a hotel, restaurant, government department, that would be beneficial. Coming to age limit, so candidates who have minimum of 18 years and maximum of 27 years as on 1/8/2024 are eligible to apply. And apart from age limit, age relaxation is given for candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC, PWD, ESM, widow, divorced women, judicially separated women but not remarried, and dependent of freedom fighters as per the government rules. And there will be no age limit for the employees working in Supreme Court who have 3 years of experience in service, and no age relaxation is given for the government officials. Coming to method of selection, so here there are 3 stages of recruitment. First stage is written test, followed by trade test or practical test, and then interview. For written test, the exam question paper will be set in Hindi and English language, and in written test comprises 2 subjects, that is general knowledge subject and subject related to cooking and culinary arts, so which comprises of 100 marks, and for practical test you will have 70 marks, and for interview 30 marks, totally 200 marks. And sectional cutoff is given for each category, that is for written test you have to secure at least 60% of the marks to get qualified. Likewise for practical test and for interview you have to get minimum of 60% of the marks. So that is what mentioned. And the examination duration will be 1.5 hours, that is 90 minutes, and there will be no negative marking in the written test. And here they have given the name or number of states. So totally in 16 states the exams are going to be conducted, and they also given the number of test centers. So here the exams are going to be conducted. And now coming to the online registration. So the online registration starts from 23rd of August 2024 and ends on 12th of September 2024, and all candidates belonging to this category, that is SC, ST, PWD, ESM, dependent of freedom fighters, widow, divorced women, judicially separated women but not remarried, for these the examination fees will be 200, and for remaining candidates it is 400. And here they have given the duties and responsibility of court attendant, that is like to prepare and serve the good quality food, to maintain hygiene, and to work at odd hours. So these are some of the duties, so you can go through this. And also general instructions are given related to the candidates who want to apply for the post. So this is all about the recruitment process of junior court attendant. For more details you can go to the official notification. Thank you.